have to write practice set or solve practice set 15 in your CW, and before that what notes you have to write, I have discussed it in the video. Okay, so now we will start with the point complementary angle. For this, now what you can do, children, if you are having rough book with you, you can draw one right angle. Okay, even I will draw the right angle and you also draw right angle. Right angle measures 90 degree, correct? So draw one right angle triangle. So now we have a right angle triangle. We can name it as angle PQR. As it is right angle, we will show the symbol. Okay. Now take any point S in its interior. So suppose if I am taking it at this point, you can take anywhere. Okay, inside but interior. Now draw ray and join this. Name this point as S. Okay. Now join this point and form by drawing a ray QS. Now we are having ray QS. Okay, children. Now which type of angles you can see in this? One concept which you have learned. Yes, we can see the adjacent angle. Yes or no? Can you tell me the pair of adjacent angle? Yes, the pair of adjacent angle is PQS and angle PQS and angle SQR. So this we are having. Now if you measure, now you will be having in your rough book, yes. So if you keep protractor on this and this angle will have certain measurement. Now I think it is 45 and 45 because the corner only it has gone, yeah. So this angle will be 45 and this will also will be 45. Now if I add 45 plus 45, what will be its measure? 45 plus 45 will give me 90 degree. Yes. So whenever you add two angles and if you get measure of that angles as 90 degree, then such pair of angles are called as complementary angles. Okay. So here if the sum of the measures of the two angles is 90 degree, then such angles are called as complementary angles. Okay. So you have to learn this spelling also. Okay. So the angles measuring, two angles measuring 90 degree. When you add both of them and if the addition is 90 degree, then it is called as a complementary angle. Even at beginning I said when we started complementary angles point, I had said draw an angle, right angle, yes, measuring 90 degree. Right angle measures 90 degree. From that also you would have got an idea that angle PQS and angle SQR, if we add these two angles, surely it will be 90 degree. Yes, because our earlier angle PQR was 90 degree. So now we'll start with the practice set, but before starting with the practice set, you have to write down this notes of complementary angle. So now in the textbook page number 26, there is one example which we have to solve, that is observe the angles in the figure and enter the proper numbers in the box. So they have given two angles, that is first angle ABC and second is angle PQR. So what is the measure of angle ABC? Yes, 40 degree. Write down in the box. Yes. What is the measure of angle PQR? 50 degree. Yes. So write it with the pencil. So measure of angle ABC is 40 degree plus measure of angle PQR is, measure of angle ABC is 40 degree plus measure of angle PQR is 50 degree. So 40 plus 50, what it will give as the answer? That is 90 degree. So write down the answer. So therefore this is the pair of complementary angle. Now we'll start with the practice set 16. The first question, the measures of some angles are given below. Write the measures of their complementary angles. Okay, so the first angle is 40 degree. We want to find this angle's complementary angle. Now complementary angle measure how much? 90 degree. Okay. So one angle we know that is 40 degree. Other angle we have to find out. So first we will assume that other angle as one of the alphabet. Okay. Did you understand, children? See once again. One angle we know. This is complementary angles. We have to find its complementary angle. So surely its measurement will be 90 degree. Okay. One angle we know. Other angle we have to find out. Yes. Surely its addition should be 90 degree. No. This angle we have to find out. So this angle we will assume as one of the alphabet. Okay. First we will assume that let the measure of the complementary angle be any of the alphabet. Suppose if we take x, then 40 is one of the angle, yes, plus the other. What is the other angle? X is equal to what it is? It should be 90 degree. Yeah. Now we want to find x value. Solve the equation we have done in the previous class. X value we have to find out. So with x what we have? 40. Yes. So what is opposite of 40? Positive 40, negative 40. Yes. Therefore, first we will write LHS as it is. Okay. This is LHS. This is RHS. Okay. So 40 plus x. 40 plus x, did I write, children? X value we have to find out. 40 is positive. If you want to remove this positive 40, what we will do? Opposite of positive 40 is negative 40. Okay. So negative 40 if we are giving to LHS, should we give to RHS also? So we are giving it for RHS also. That is 90 minus 40. So positive and negative will go and 0 it becomes. So what remains at LHS? X is equals to 90 minus 40 is 50 degree. So what is the answer? Yes, the answer is the other angle will be, or the complementary angle will be, therefore you can write the, from the question itself, see, therefore the measure of its complementary angle is 50 degree. Okay. The second sum, that is angle 63. So we don't know other angles, so again we will assume let the measure of complementary be one of the other alphabet we can take. What we can take? Now first we took x, now we will take it a. B, A. Okay. So now we will write 63 plus A, is it? Is equals to, we should have 90 degree. Now what is the alphabet? A. Yes, we have assumed A. See, A. With A what are we having? Positive 63. If you want to remove it, yeah, we have to find this value, no? So opposite to positive 63 is negative 63. So before that we will write 63 plus A as it is. Opposite is negative 63. On both the side we will give, that is 90 minus 63. Therefore it will be surely 0. What remains at LHS? Only A. 90 minus 63 is 27 degree. Therefore the measure of its complementary angle is 27 degree. Okay, we'll take the 7th sum, that is x degree, as a third sum. Okay, so we have to find complementary angle of this x degree. So now previous we saw two sums, they were numbers, yeah, and we had to find other one. So we were assuming as alphabet, but now alphabet is only given. So when you are assuming, you also have to assume a alphabet only. It's very easy. Don't get confused. Okay. So earlier numbers were there. Now alphabets are there. But we have to solve in the same way. Okay. So first we don't know its complementary angle. So what we will write? Let the complementary angle be, now x is already there, no? So we'll assume some other alphabet, p. Okay, so first we were writing this, yeah, so we'll write x. Assumed one is p. Both of them should be 90 degree as they are complementary angles, yeah. So this they have given us, this we have to find out. Are you understanding? P's value we have to find out. Okay, so p we will keep here. With p, do we have positive x? Opposite to positive x is negative x. So x plus p we will write as it is. Now see what you are going to subtract. This you are going to subtract, yeah. So opposite to x is minus x is equals to 90 minus x. Positive and negative x will go. So here we have only p. Then 90 minus x. From number we cannot subtract letter. So it will remain as it is. That is 90 minus x degree. So what is p's value? 90 minus x. Therefore, the measure of its complementary angle is 90 minus x degree. Okay. We will start with question 2. In question 1 there are 7 sums. Yes, 3 I have shown you how to solve. Remaining 4 you solve on your own. Okay. Now we will go for the question number 2. Y minus 20 degree and y plus 30 degree are the measures of complementary angles. So what is the measure of complementary angle? 90 degree. Yes. Two angles are given. This is one and this is other. Both of them are complementary, means addition, and means plus. Yeah. This plus this is complementary. That is this plus this equals to 90 degree. Did you get some hint how to solve? Yeah. Find the measure of each angle. These angles and other angles measurement, exact measurement you have to find out. It's very easy. Pay attention. Y minus 20 degree plus y plus 30 degree is equals to what? Is it complementary? So is equal to 90 degree. Now by removing the brackets we will write, that is use therefore sign up, y minus 20 degree. Now plus sign will not change the sign, yeah. So the signs will remain as it is. Plus y plus 30 is equals to 90. Okay. Now can you see y and y here? Can we add? Nothing but what is here? 1 and 1. 1y plus 1y. See, yeah? This is positive, yeah? No sign means positive. 1y plus 1y, that is what? 2y. Did you understand? This was for your understanding. Here variable. This is variable, yeah? And coefficient. No coefficient means it is 1. We have learned in 6th standard. So 1y plus 1y will give us 2y. Okay. Now this is minus 20 plus 30. negative, positive. Will you do subtraction? Yes. So 30 minus 20, 10, and greater number sign positive. Did you understand, your children? See once again, y plus y is 2y. 1 and 1 will give 2. Okay, now negative 20 and positive 30. Negative 20 and positive 30. Minus plus minus. 30 minus 20, 10, and greater number sign positive. So we are having 2y plus 10 is equals to 90. Did we get the equation? We'll solve the equation. So 2y will keep as it is. Plus 10 will remove how? See here, once again I will explain. Now we want to find y's value, children. So this will keep as it is. First we'll remove positive 10. What is opposite to positive 10? Negative 10. That is 2y plus 10 minus 10 is equals to 90. Here did you give minus 10? So other side also we will give minus 10. Plus minus will go, or minus plus opposite is 0. Okay. So what is remaining here? 2y. Other side equals to 90 minus 10, 80. Okay, children. Now what is the relation? Multiplication. Yeah, we have learned it. So what is opposite to multiplication? Division. Yeah. So now will you divide 2 on both the side? Y's value we have to find out. So 2 is there. So it is multiplied. If you have to remove it, you have to do division. So dividing 2 on both the side. This ones are. So what will remain here? Y. Other side, 2 division. 2 ones are and 2 fours are, and this 0. That is y equals to 40. Now we have two angles. What are those two angles? Y minus 20 degree. Another is y plus 30 degree. Okay. So we have to find out. See, find the measure of each angle. So now y's value did we get? That is 40. So we will substitute value in this. Okay. So y we will consider as 40. What is next? Minus 20. Bracket close degree. 40 minus 20. 20 degree. Did we get first angle's measurement? Now second. Y plus 30 degree. What is y's value? 40 plus 30 bracket close degree. 40 plus 30, 70 degree. Now just check whether your answer is right or wrong. 70 plus 20, 90 degree. Is it complementary angle? Are we getting correct? Yes. Therefore, the measure of each angle is 20 degree and 70 degree. So therefore the measure of each angle is 20 degree and 70 degree. So here we have finished practice set 16.